mm, and then pitch is 60 mm. You have to find out circumference of the circle, right? That is by r. Okay. Step 1. Draw a circle or top view of the circle. Divide this circle into 12 equal parts. Then name this circle as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now draw a reference line. It is called X, Y. Then all these points bring to the XY line like this. 2 and 8 coincided, 3 and 7 coincided, 4 and 6 coincided, 5 also bring to the reference line XY. Now it is one, name it as 1 dash. Okay, this is 2 dash and 8 dash, 3, 7, 3 dash, 7 dash. What will be the next point?
4 dash,
6 dash, 5 dash. What is the distance between this circle and then XY line or a reference line? It is the convenient distance. Okay, convenient distance. And now draw the pitch. What I told you, what to draw? Pitch. Yeah. What is the height of the pitch?
60 mm.
Yeah, 16 mm. It is also the convenient length. 60 mm. This is 5 from the line 5 and then from the line 1. From the line 5 and from the line 1. Is the gap between these two is the XY line. See this, all of you see, extend this first line, and then 2, 8 line also extend. Next 3 and 7 line also extended. Next 4 and 6 line also extended. 5th line also extended. Okay, these are the lines. These are the lines. The same points. It is divide this pitch, dimension it as 60 mm. Divide this pitch 60 mm height as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 12. 12 points. So I will divide it into 12 points. Then draw the horizontal lines from each point. Horizontal lines. Now see this 1 dash starting point. Next 2 dash. P1 it is P1, it is P2. 3 dash. Intersecting points. Locate the intersecting points. P3. 3 dash. 4 dash. P4. 5 dash. Intersecting points are to locate. 1 dash. 2 dash. 3 dash. 4 dash. Remaining of 2 points are there. Again 5 dash it is 6 dash. 6 dash. P6. 7 dash. P7. 8 dash. P8. 9 dash. P9 and up till 12. P12. Okay. Join all these points with a smooth cut. This is the helical curve. The required helical curve is constructed successfully. That dotted line, why? Because we will draw by the other side. It is imaginary line. Imaginary line. So that it is shown by the dotted line. So top view it is. You have to mention the radius or diameter 50 mm. Okay. And then pitch height is 60 mm. Right. Next we have to draw the development. What is that? Development. Draw this, extend this parallel line. Okay. Draw a separation line. It is x dash and then y dash. X dash, y dash. From this line, we draw the straight line of 2 pi r length. 2 pi r length. So let me know what is the 2 pi r value with the 2 into radius is 25, 22 by 7 into radius is 25. How much it is? 20. How much it is? 125.7 or something maybe mm. Okay. Draw this 125.7 mm. Let it A and B. This line is. How will you divide this straight line of AB? You have to divide it into 12 equal parts. This is straight line of AB with 125.7 mm also. You have to divide 12 equal parts. This pitch also divided into 12 equal parts. Now it is necessary to divide the 2 pi r length of the circle. Follow the procedure. Draw a inclined line. Then with the convenient radius, draw arcs on the inclined line. Name all these arcs as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash. Our last point I am locating 12 dash. Join this B to the 12th point. Okay. Place the vertical scale of mini drafter on the B and 12 dash. Move it towards the left side. Draw the parallel lines. Now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 directly I put it. Okay. Now the same height of the pitch. The same height of the pitch. 2 pi r length. Again draw the upper side and then join it. Draw the 12 points already there here. Pitch. From the pitch it is, you can extend these lines. These lines are extended. Okay. This again you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 up till 1. Okay. Extend these 12 parts also upwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 12. Okay. Now see the intersecting points you have to locate. 1 to 1 and 1 dash to 1. 1 to 1 point P1. 2 to 2 point P2. 3 to 3 point P3. 4 to 4 point P4. 5 to 5 point P5. 6 to 6 point P6. 7 to P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. Continue this process until all the points you get up to P11 and P12. Join all these points P1 to P12, you get a straight line. Diagonally. This is the development. I think all of you got it. Front view, top view, a little curve on the front view. This is the development. Right? Can you draw it now?
Yes, sir.
Can I repeat?
Yes, sir.
See this, I am repeating this topic.